In this video, let's talk about YouTube's new ID verification update. YouTube has quietly unleashed a new system powered by AI to estimate whether users are adults or minors. This is not rooted in your sign-up birthday, but it's based on signals like your watch history, search behavior, and how long your account has been active. If the AI tags you as under 18, the platform will automatically apply safeguards like disabling personalized ads, enabling screen time reminders, restricting certain types of content and recommendations. This is already live for some US users with plans to expand based on the trial results. This change comes amid rising regulatory demands like tightened child safety laws in the US, Australia, and UK. Governments want platforms to do more than just rely on user-provided ages. YouTube claims this first AI approach preserves teen privacy while keeping them safe online. If you are misidentified as underage, you don't get to binge content until you prove you are 18 plus. Verification methods. You may need to submit a government-issued ID, a credit card, or a selfie for verification. Many users are worried about privacy and data use, but YouTube says IDs are deleted after verification. Still, the debate around safety versus surveillance is heating up. So that's YouTube's new ID verification system. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.